Luxe Bidet Neo 185 Plus is a cold water bidet attachment. It sits between the toilet bowl and the toilet seat. The U-shaped attachment plates only require you to loosen the toilet seat bolts to slide it under the seat. The attachment plates swivel for easy installation and work like hinges, so the bidet can be raised to make cleaning the bowl easier. The dual nozzles extend under the guard when in use and retract after use. The nozzles rinse themselves before and after each use. The rear wash nozzle is angled toward the back. The feminine wash nozzle has a softer spray and is angled towards the front. There is a knob to change between the rear wash, the feminine wash, and the nozzle clean mode, which rinses the nozzles and the guard. The water flow can be adjusted with the on-off knob. It's made out of UV-resistant plastic, and it comes with a water supply tee, a supply line for the bidet, plumber's tape, a wrench, and alternate hinge covers.